Wow, what a crazy. That is.
See it on down here behind the
Yeah, here it is. There's something where. Oh. Guys, that was
bridge.
weird.
One under the bridge.
I know. Yeah. That's cool, guys. I hear it. Wow, we got that train. I guess the last video was. Yeah, something. Oh, that's not buildings and train tracks. Hey, it's these bottom autobahns. Oh crap! The railroad's going away, guys. No good. Wow. Guys, that was a very, very short train. That was it. That was a super short double stack. The end was not that's Catman. Yeah, so bye. That was a super, super, super short double stack I ain't ever seen. Got it on video. And wow, we got that train. So that was last time was said Pennsylvania area or something. I don't know how to say it still. But I can't believe I saw railroad crossing go down. See ya and bye.